I knew I wanted more. Boot camp just didn't do it for me. I'm like, okay, I want something tougher. Became a sniper. I'm like, all right, there's gotta be something better than this. And then I came over to MARSOC. It's 100%, 100 miles an hour. Candidate coming here needs to understand that he needs to learn how to be comfortable in miserable conditions. That's what we have to train to. You have to train for the worst. You need to find those individuals that can do that.
Assessment and Selection, or ANS, is two-phase training evolution. It's the tryout for the individual training course.
Your mind is your most important weapon. It's all on the candidate. All we do is measure them and observe them. Here's your start, here's your finish, go. Show me what you can do. And he's gonna self-select himself, basically. ITC is the individual training course, and it's basically our MOS producing school, so it takes the basic Marine and creates him into the special operator.
We go the most in depth, and we shoot the most of any special operations training school out there across SOCOM. We don't wait until the guys get to the battalions to train in this because we know they need it day one. Making it as realistic as possible, it definitely elevates heart rate. Their brain is functioning faster than most of them would like it to. So their ability to process problems is decreased to some extent, and we get to see how they're functioning under that duress. Sort of assimilation to what they're going to see in a real-world environment. It's an interesting transition that happens over a very quick period of time. It's a lot to absorb. All the tools that they've gotten from phase 0 to phase 1, the planning aspects, we're asking them to then take that and apply it to what they're doing here. We show them the chaos, and we assess how they perform and what their leadership looks like in those scenarios. We see a great amount of success in that, and we see guys fall on their face, but it's a training environment. We want guys to fail here first, to learn from that, and then grow, and ultimately take that growth and apply it to what they're doing in the teams.
There's not one single biggest obstacle. The most important thing is to know themselves. They need to know truly who they are, what they're getting themselves into. You gotta be ready to eat, breathe, and sleep this because your peers will hold you accountable.